Story Kids Rise.
The Crows and Owls Moral Story at Story Kids Rise. In a lively forest, all the birds come together to pick a new leader. After thinking and talking, they decided that the wise and responsible owl should be their king. They were happy with their choice and began to crown the owl as their new leader. But oh no! Right as the ceremony was happening, a crow swooped in. The crow spoke up, saying there were better birds who could be kings. He asked why they chose the owl, who was blind in the daytime. The birds thought about it and agreed with the crow. The owl, feeling upset and angry, shouted at the crow. He said they would now be enemies. The other birds flew away, leaving the owl and the crow with bad feelings between them. Later, when the forest was quiet, the crow thought to himself. He wondered why he had made the owl his enemy. The crow realized that maybe he shouldn't have picked a fight with the owl for no good reason. The moral of the story is that it's essential to think before we speak or act. Sometimes, picking unnecessary fights can lead to problems, and it's better to make friends than enemies. The birds could have lived happily together, but a misunderstanding caused trouble between the owl and the crow. The Crows and Owls Moral Story at Story Kids Rise. Kids, please like, share, and subscribe to this video.
Story Kids Rise.